I made $500 per business day in 2020, guys. That may not seem like a lot to many of you. That may be a ton to some of you guys. And the reason I'm making this video is to help those of you who want more in your lives. A lot of people ask me, hey, how do you make more money? How do you save money? How do you make money online? What does it look like to make money on YouTube, et cetera, et cetera? We're gonna answer all those questions today and more, guys. I'm gonna share you my exact strategies, how you can make more than $500 a day and what it took for me to get to this place. Make sure to like this video and subscribe below if you haven't already, because it really helps the channel. You guys are awesome. Many people before us and many people after us, guys, have felt stuck, just existing in their day in lives simply to clock in and out for their hourly job and grind, not really getting any traction. I always dreamt of making it, and really making it for me looks like having a private jet, having wealth, having a business, and believe me, guys, having the jet would be cool, but what does making it really look like, and how do you do that today? Along your own success journey, guys, everyone's gonna tell you, hey, save money like a good little boy and girl. Make sure to invest in your 401k. Oh, you should buy a house. That would be great. Guys, this advice is outdated, and let me tell you what matters in the modern economy today. Think of the internet, guys, as the portal to the life that you've always wanted. In today's attention economy, attention fuels everything. Money follows attention. That's why these celebrities that you've heard of, you don't know what they really do, make so much money, because you're giving them your attention, guys. You need attention in today's economy. At this point in the video, a lot of you may be thinking, okay, in theory, all this sounds good, but tangibly, concretely, in reality, how does this look, Trent, and what do I do? Okay, let me explain what I'm doing today, how I made $500 a day in 2020 per business day, mind you. So guys, you need to first, most of you guys who watch this are younger males. You need to figure out, what is your vehicle? How can you start making money and saving money and growing it in a way that's then gonna fuel all of your other initiatives that you want to do? So step one, guys, is identifying what you want, what you want, what you want. What do you even want to do? If you don't know what you want, guys, how do you expect to get it? Think about it like this. If you want to go on a road trip, but you don't know where you're going, you're not going to know where to go. And it's the same thing in life with setting your goals. So first off, you need to identify what you want. For example, what I want right now is over 10,000 subscribers for this channel. And I've been thinking that I'm even maybe thinking a little small. That's more so just the immediate goal for 2021. But the YouTube is my channel, and this is how I hope to get attention, by helping you guys. So figure out what your channel is, whether it's video, audio, written, start a blog, start a podcast. You need to utilize the internet. The internet offers you ultimate leverage, and a lot of these people that talk about passive income and digital assets and make money while you sleep, how do you actually do that, guys? The only way to do it, guys, let me explain, is to have a lot of upfront capital. So to have a lot of money to either invest in a business, invest in the stock market, buy real estate so that you can accumulate passive income. That's one way. The only other way, guys, that's practical for you guys is to create an asset. Start building your own infrastructure. A lot of people think buying a house is an asset. Buying a house is a liability. It's an asset for the bank, so don't do that, guys. You want to stay out of liabilities. You want to build an asset that helps you acquire attention. You eventually can monetize that attention. And the way that looks, guys, for example, the model on LinkedIn, and I think this is really fascinating, is if you're an influencer, you get about 30,000 views per post. I get about 3,800. If you get 30,000 views per post, guys, and you create a course telling other people simply how to get views on LinkedIn, you're probably gonna get between 100 and 200 buys. And let's say you charge $10 a month, 50 a year, whatever it is. You're making tens of thousands of dollars, and that course is selling itself while you sleep, because you do the work up front. And that's the beauty of YouTube. That's the beauty of the internet. You do the work up front, and then on the back end, you don't have to go out and sell or do anything like that. It will start to exponentially grow and compound while you sleep, and that's technically passive income. So figure out on the internet, what is your thing and how can you utilize that leverage to get what you want, guys. So that's step one. Step two is you need something to fuel your savings and development and your growth and your content angle. So here's how that looks for me, guys. I love sales. I want to master sales. I work in a knowledge industry, software sales, and that provides me the ability to work from home, so I don't have to commute. and all day, all I have to focus on is just selling. The more I sell, the more money I make. So therefore, the more money I can invest in the market and grow it, and quicker I can grow my net worth and have money to fuel my YouTube. But more importantly, guys, by mastering sales and sharing what I've learned and how to do it effectively, being a sales development rep for 2.5 years, then promoting to an account executive, my whole content angle is now talking about sales, how to prospect, how to do all that in tandem to how to grow online. So it aligns because it's something I practice what I preach, guys, and I actually do it. And the third thing, guys, that I'll say is don't use this video as motivation. If this gets you motivated to go and start and go do something, you got to reevaluate where you're at. What I typically like to say is a lot of people read these courses, buy these playbooks, these strategies, whatever it is, and they say, oh, I'm going to go get started. I'm going to go do something, guys. A lot of people wait and don't actually do any action. Don't read a book on how to do push-ups. You got to go out and do push-ups, guys. So rather than go watching more videos or anything like that, if you've always thought about doing this thing or whatever that looks like for you, you just gotta go start now, and you gotta go start today, guys. At the end of the day, guys, why sell a product online when you can just sell yourself, guys? It's most authentic. Nobody can replicate it. That is your unique differentiation, is yourself. Think of Joe Rogan. He can't be replicated in the marketplace, therefore he demands such a high value, $100 million for his podcast, guys. Logan Paul, someone like that who gets attention. Floyd Mayweather would never fight him if he didn't get all this attention. Jake Paul offering Conor McGregor $50 million contracts. He gets a lot of attention, therefore he gets a lot of backers, guys. All these other people who get attention are going to be the future modern celebrities in the days going forward. And I know you think a lot of these guys are celebrities today, guys, but I think it's going to be taken to a whole new level as we go forward. So go figure out how to own your own corner of the internet, guys. Live life on your terms and start to build that asset that's really going to give you the life that you actually want, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment below. I want to hear what your thing is. I want to hear how I can help, and I want to hear your overall thoughts on this video today. Make sure to like this video, thumbs up, subscribe below if you haven't already, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.